Oh ya, gila.
Ya bebas terus.
Kok
Kita dia bebas terus. Lagi. Lagi.
yakiyan මොකද්ද?
Huh?
Which word is called?
What?
මොකද්ද ඒ කුරුල්ලට කියන නම?
What do you want to know?
Yeah, actually I asked whether you are feeding them every
Yeah,
day.
I'm feeding them because there's so much pollution in the sea where they live. So we give them some corn twice a day, and when they got the small ducklings, they will have it 3 times a day until they leave here in October, November, and then they fly away, and then the parents come back next year without the children. And this one is male swan.
Okay.
We brought him up here in 2018,
Okay.
so now he has returned with the female swan who is lying
Okay,
under the trees out in
I
the
see them,
islands
yeah.
on her egg. So that's nice.
Oh, that's actually you are doing great job for the environment and the protecting them, because especially this crush climate time. Yeah,
We are
thank you.
protecting them very much, taking so
Yeah.
much care of them. We would like them to have to be okay.
Growing here, yeah, that's a great
Yeah.
that's a great thing
Okay.
for human. Thank you.